Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an acrylic nail kit. First, let's get organized. Before you begin, lay out all the components of your kit, including the acrylic powder, liquid monomer, nail tips, and brushes. Preparing your natural nails is crucial for a lasting application. Gently push back your cuticles, lightly buff the nail surface, and ensure your nails are clean and dry. A clean, well-ventilated area will make the process much smoother and safer for everyone. Now, let's move on to applying the nail tips and primer. Choosing the right size tip is essential for a natural look and strong adhesion. The tip should fit perfectly across your natural nail without any gaps. Use a small amount of nail glue, pressing the tip down for about 10 seconds to secure it. After the tips are on, apply a thin, even coat of nail primer to your natural nail. This step helps the acrylic adhere better and prevents lifting. This is where the magic happens, applying the acrylic. Dip your brush into the liquid monomer, then lightly touch it to the acrylic powder to pick up a small, wet bead. Place this bead onto the nail, near the cuticle area, and gently pat it down, shaping it towards the free edge. You'll typically use 3 beads for each nail, one for the cuticle, one for the apex or stress area, and one for the free edge, blending them smoothly. Finally, let's perfect your new acrylic nails with shaping and finishing. Once the acrylic is completely dry and hard, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, you can begin filing. Use a coarse grit file, around 180 grit, to shape the nail and refine the surface. Follow up with a finer grit buffer to smooth out any imperfections. Finish with a glossy top coat and a drop of cuticle oil for a professional, polished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.